William Ruto, I told you Matiang'i is coming for you. There is a reality I want to tell you if you don't have a copy. And the Kenyans help me, ndio Ruto updated. Ajue the man is going to meet 2027 called Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Maybe also there are those Kenyans maybe who feel like there is a delay. Wanataka kumuona Matiang'i akitoa makucha. Let me tell you, politics is a strategy. Politics is a program. It's not an occurrence, it's a process. You must mark your time and when you are going for these campaigns and when you are going to rally for the ballots. Let me tell you, at this point as we speak, if you are wise enough, you can know how a presidential candidate looks like, how he appears, how he frames his wordings, how he's making his movements. If you are wise and politically intelligent, you Kenyans, monitor Matiang'i's moves. Si mtu wa kuropokwa, si mtu wa kupayuka. Is someone who is structured. Hata akisimama kuongea, you can see him as president. Let me tell you, kuna kuanga na boardroom lobbying. Kuna kuanga boardroom discussions. Kuna kuanga na boardroom, how will you offer your leadership even if given space, if given opportunity by the people of Kenya? How will you do it? How are you gonna do it? Alafu kuna kuanga grassroots mobilization yenye kuna level yake. You must be structured. Why are Kenyans rejecting William Ruto? You take those notes well. How different would I like to implement this so that people can be happy and we take our country forward? So that we can engage the local people on the grassroots level, you understand the problems our people are facing and how to tackle them. So that you don't go to the people and commit yourself the impossibilities, something you cannot implement. You fool people, you entertain people the way people were entertained in 2022. Politics of lies and deceit, conmanship. That's why Matiang'i is structured to know what can be done to take our country to the right trajectory ahead of 2027. That's why you saw him. He had international team ambassadors from various countries like acting ambassador to Kenya from the US. Vile he had the ambassador from Israel, alikuwa hapa ofisi yake. Vile kulikuwa na ambassador kutoka France, alikuwa hapa. Kulikuwa also na the former team kutoka the US, walikuwa hapa debut. So I want you people, as the people of Kenya, a structured president, a president who knows where to take the country in the next 5 years if given opportunity. Matiang'i is the only person who can speak. If I'm given opportunity, if I'm elected, this is what I'm going to offer to the country Kenya. See William Ruto anaanza kuongea kama aspirant, a sitting president. Just tell us, I've done this, I've initiated this, I've created 100 billion, or just set aside 100 billion to enable young people in this direction. Ruto anajua watu wengine hawaja kuambia ile presidential speech you gave that night. Hey, people were asking, huyu ni rais anaongea? So Kenyans, watu wa Migori, Matiang'i is coming. Migori, the Kuria line, Matiang'i is coming. Wameanza hiyo kukutanisha sasa watu kwa grassroots. Na atakuwa 2 days series of rallies kwa kila kitongoji. Wakuria, Mbuyamore, mtamkaribisha Matiang'i. Songe mbele. Share this clip for the trip, Dr. Matiang'i's trip to Migori, actually Kuria. Mumkaribishe kwa wingi wa Kenya, timu Matiang'i, timu United Opposition. Share this because Wakuria wanasubiri Matiang'i kwa hamu na gamu. He is coming. Your days have been set aside too. Before aenda Nakuru, aenda Coast, aenda Isiolo, kwanza anakuja pande hiyo. Now the president in waiting ameanza safari zake. Tukutane mbele.